هلا السلام عليكم. معاكم من مستشفى MS رامية ببنغلور بالهند. مستشفى MS رامية هي مستشفى وكلية، وهي من سنة 1976. المستشفى تتكون من 1600 سرير، 250 أطباء استشاريين يعملون 24 ساعة. معنا الدكتور نريش شتي، رئيس مستشفى MS رامية وأخصائي العظام. أهلا وسهلا بالدكتور نريش.
Greetings from MS Ramaya Memorial Hospital, Bangalore and India. MS Ramaya Hospital is a major super specialty hospital having 1600 beds, 225 ICU beds and 250 consultants.
مستشفى MS رامية تتكون من 1600 سرير، 225 عناية مركزة، 250 أطباء استشاريين يعملون 24 ساعة.
MS Ramaya Medical College and Hospitals is one of the 19 different institutions of this particular group. The first institution that was started under this group was the MS Ramaya Institute of Technology way back, which is celebrating now 50 years. The MS Ramaya Medical College was started 38 years back. It is considered as among the top 20 medical colleges in India, which is among the 388 medical colleges. This hospital is rated among the top 3 hospitals in Bangalore city. There are many things that can happen in this place. Every student that comes here comes with different requirements here. So you can have law, you can have hotel management, you can nursing, you can have pharmacy, you can go for physiotherapy, you can go for polytechnic, arts, science and management. Besides this, there are a lot of other education program going on, which is basically on PhD and basically in MD and DM programs. This hospital was built to ensure that patient gets the best possible deal. Today, not only patients from all over India come here, but patients from different parts of the world that come here for treatment. Patients that come here are from Iraq, they come from Yemen, they come from Iran, they come from South Africa, they come from Kenya, Nigeria, Tanzania, as well as Sudan. We also get patients from UK and United States, where the cost of the treatment is so very high, and we basically give them treatment at much cheaper rate and easier for them. They not only come as patients, they also come as tourists, where after the treatment they go all around South India and enjoy the beauty of India and its nature.
راماية ميموريال هوسبيتال مستشفى جيدة جدا، خدماتها كلش حلوة، مستشفى إنسانية قبل ما تكون إنه مستشفى استثمارية، يعني بالحقيقة إنه يهتمون بالجانب الإنساني أكثر من الاهتمام بالجانب الربح أو جانب التجارة. اللي لمسته إنه الكل إنسانيتهم قبل أي شيء آخر.
The hospital was built with one particular mind to give healthcare facility to everyone who are affording and who can get it at the best possible way.
الآن نسأل الدكتور نريش شتي ما هي نظرة المستشفى بالمستقبل.
The major objective of this institution is health and education. In education, we would like to help people to develop their skills. So any professional who would like to come here and improve their skill is welcome. It depends upon what skill they want to get better. We will help them with either 6 months course, 1 year course or 2 years course. For people who want to get themselves educated either in nursing or in pharmacy or in physiotherapy, we will be able to help them with the degree which is there. However, English is mandatory for them because this is the rule of the university. In medical education, we are the premier institution and is known all over the world. In fact, the maximum number of students that are available in United States in one particular college is from our college, that is MS Ramaya Medical College. For the health, we have formula for every problem in the earth. If it's a cancer, we have basically medical oncology, we have surgical oncology and we have radio oncology available there. We have the linear accelerator, which is the best that is there. In radiology, we have the CT scan, the MRI scan, and now we are putting up the PET scan. So all kind of diagnostics are available there. For patients with any heart problem, we have the 128 slice CT scan where we do a prophylactic vision of the cardiac, or we can do a cardiac surgery if required be, or cardiology. For patients with urology problem, neurology problem or neurosurgery problem, we should be able to take them and treat them well. The biggest USP of our hospital is that all these patients can be treated at a figure which is much less than either in United States or United Kingdom. Our idea is to ensure to spread healthcare all around the world with as much possible in our hands, and for that we are ready to not only train people but also to ensure to give them better treatment at a reasonable cost. Thank you.